Hey there guys, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Welcome back to another day in my critter week. Today I'm using the Garden Girl stamp set and I'm using the flowers, the bunny, and the bird. I'm also going to be using my Stampin' Write markers to color these today. I'm pulling in Pool Party. I pulled in Basic Gray, but I ended up using Smoky Slate, Peekaboo Peach, Calypso Coral, and Purple. You saw these earlier in the week, and I really love this color combination, but I'm not in love with this card, and I think you'll see why. And you guys may love it. I don't know. So I have this piece of the Miss and Magic Designer Series paper, measures 4 by 5 1/4, and then I'm gonna and I have an Elegant Eggplant card base that measures 4 1/4 by 11, scored at 5 1/2. So I'm gonna go ahead and stamp each of the animals, and then I'm gonna stamp the flowers. Now I screwed up a little bit on the bird, and then, like I said, in a minute I'm gonna start coloring the bunny, and I decided to make him a little lighter. So I'm going to color the bird with Pool Party, so he's a little blue bird. And then I'm going to be cutting out each of these using the stitch shape framelits. I'm using the 3 smallest circles, and I'm also going to use those same circles minus the small one to cut out Elegant Eggplant and Peekaboo Peach cardstock. So I'm using Fleur de Flamingo to color in the little guy's ears. And then I'm just going to color in the rabbit. I think I'll leave his belly white. So cute. I love this bunny. It's so cute. And then finally I'm going to color the flowers in using the 3 remaining colors. And then I bring in Pool Party for the stems and the leaves rather than bringing in an extra color. The purple flower reminds me of some flowers I had as art back in my college days. I can't remember what they were called, but they have a yellow center. They're a lily. They're a type of like a lily pad lily. And they have yellow in the center and then purple, what are those called? Petals. And it was so pretty. So now that I've cut everything out using my Big Shot, you can see how I plan on doing this. And this is kind of where things started going south for me. But I wanted to go ahead and finish it because I had this idea in my head that, it would be this little scene, but instead of doing a traditional scene, I would do a non-traditional scene. And I really wish if I go back and remake this card, I would totally cut out circles that were a little bit closer, not so wide. I mean, this is probably a 1/2 inch difference. And I would use like either the layering circle framelits, like the scallop circles or something like that. I think if I changed that, and if I changed the color of the paper to just the purple, I think I would like that a whole lot better. But you guys let me know down in the comments down below what you think. So I'm going to adhere the circles together using glue. I'm going to adhere the bunny, because he's going to be kind of in the center, using liquid glue. And I'm going to adhere the other 2 circles using Stampin' Dimensionals. And once again, I'm using up the ones from Paper Pumpkin. So I'm not going to have a recipe to go along with this card because, it's basically a card base and a card layer. But I will have a supply list and a blog post. So both of those will be linked down below. So yeah, don't forget that the retiring list comes out on Monday. So excited. So thanks so much for joining me today. Guys, let me know down in the comments what you think of this card. Feel free to say you don't like it. It won't hurt my feelings because, like I said, I'm kind of on the fence about it. So thanks so much for joining me, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.